Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Read-In Mode, which is basically just a night mode, but it's called Read-In Mode. So by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. Let me disable dark mode so you can see the difference more clearly. So, as you can see, when this mode is enabled, the screen becomes slightly more yellow. You can select two different modes. You have classic or paper mode. In classic you can only change color temperature, and in paper mode you can change some more of settings, like you can change color temperature, you can change its texture. I don't know if you can see how it changes on the video. You can also enable full colors, slightly light colors, or just set it to be black and white. So yeah. And you can also add schedule for this mode. You can select start time, end time, and yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.